guy.
Let's go.
He's what?
What? Go ahead.
Wait, what?
It's your channel.
It's your room, bro. So how we gonna do this?
Alright,
Yo, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronnie Fitteds. I love fitted hats. I collect fitted hats, and this is a fitted hat channel. Now, I do apologize. I haven't made a video in about a week. Just a lot of things going on, but you know, I'm back pushing more content on YouTube, and appreciate you guys, you know, being patient with me. So, yeah, just want to say that. Missed y'all. And I'm very excited for today's video because we got a lot of hats to show you guys. Just want to let you guys know, one of the hats that I'm going to show in the video was given to me by Hatclub as a promotional gift. So this video was, I would say this video is sponsored by Hatclub. So shout out to Hatclub. I am affiliate with them. Once again, you guys check out the link I put in this video. It will take you to Hatclub. If you make a purchase off that link, it helps me out. I get a 6% commission off each sale. So appreciate it. Anyways, let's introduce.
DayBreakers.
Huh? I was about to introduce you, bro.
Well, I'm calling in anyway.
Oh,
What's up, y'all?
Whoa.
It's your boy. Hey, Kobayashi, back at it.
Step
What's
in.
up, bro?
What are we doing?
Yeah.
This guy.
Let's go.
He's
And?
what?
What? Go ahead.
Wait, what?
It's your
What?
channel. It's your channel.
It's your room, bro. So how we gonna do this?
Alright, I'll go with it. We're gonna start with the DayBreakers Collection.
Yes, sir.
That Ronnie has copped, and I only copped one that's in here, so
Yeah. You know, going off what Kobe said, DayBreakers Collection. I'm looking at them right now. We got 3 colors in the DayBreakers Collection.
Uh-huh.
We got blue.
oh,
We got orange, and we got
herbs.
now. With this collection, it was about 30 hats that dropped.
Woo!
Overall,
That's
I would
a lot
say
of
this.
hats.
It's a lot of hats,
That is
man.
a lot of hats.
It's a lot of hats. Oh, it's a nice shirt, by the way.
Thank you.
Okay,
Harley
okay.
Davidson. You see this? You see it?
Let's do fitted check real
Oh,
quick.
okay, alright.
Fit of the day. Go ahead.
Got that Houston Astros two-tone 2017 World Series side patch.
Bang bang.
Yep, flat Barrowman. Boom, boom.
Cool,
Pow.
cool. And this one, we got the Colorado Rockies two-tone. If you guys know, you know. I'll save this for another video.
Oh,
But
yikes.
I want to say 3 colorways, 30 hats, crazy collection. Overall, one of my favorite collections, top 5
Ooh,
this
top
year.
5.
For me, top 5. But
Pretty good.
like Kobe said, he copped one. I copped quite a bit. Let's get into
It's
it.
a lot.
So, let's start off with the bulk of the collection that I was able to get.
Personally, this is probably my favorite color.
This is your favorite color?
It's my favorite color of this
Alright.
collection.
What color is your favorite out of the DayBreakers collection? Let us know. But here we go. I'm gonna give Kobe his hat. Boom.
So you guys can really see it. It's the blue.
Step
So-
on the screen.
I just got the New York Yankees.
Boom.
There we go.
This color is crazy, bro.
1999 side patch. Flat Barrowman on the back here. And a little orange
Okay.
UV.
Boom. Hold this
Yeah.
for me. Don't show it in the camera yet. Okay. Like Kobe said, New York Yankees. Classic. Gotta have at least one Yankee in your collection.
Of course.
Kobe's got a few, but he's got this gem. I love this color, and we'll get to that in a bit. But yeah, beautiful side patch here, 1999.
That's my favorite side patch.
Oh, like what?
Because it's the year I was born.
So this is your favorite side patch of all time?
For New York Yankees specifically.
Okay.
Yeah.
99 side patch. It's a very good one though. It could
Yeah.
be.
This one's really well done too.
Yeah, the colors are crazy. Of course, with the blue colorway, you get the blue crown, you get the gold hit, and then I believe they add, let's see, blue, gold, and yellow. Woo.
Yeah.
All the DayBreakers hats are gonna have a flat Batterman. This one has a nice gold trim. Boom.
That's clean.
Gold trim, and then you get your blue and orange Batterman. All the DayBreakers have the white guts. And this is like a Tang gold yellow UV. Tang, you like that? Tang.
Yeah.
Yeah, this might be my favorite color. This is probably my favorite.
Yeah, first for me.
But we'll show the other ones in a bit. Anyways, New York Yankees. We'll rate that in a bit.
Just do all the ratings at the end.
We'll do all the ratings at the end. A little bit different, bro.
Yeah.
A little bit different.
Spice it up a little bit.
Oh, boom. So this one is the Detroit Tigers.
That's my personal favorite.
Yeah, this is out of the
Honestly,
bunch?
honestly.
He a liar. He a liar.
That one's too clean.
Even the one about that one I got as a promotion?
Yeah.
Anyways, Detroit Tigers with the tiger jumping through the Detroit D logo.
I still don't have one in my collection yet.
Yeah.
That's why.
It's on your list.
That's tough.
MLB All-Star Game side patch. I think that's 2005. 2005. Flat Barrowman. Boom. Next.
There you go.
No, let's do it.
All right, this one.
Save the best for last. Seattle Mariners. Boom. Had to get it because I love this logo.
Yep. Clean. Simple.
It starts with my
simple,
last
clean.
name. So that right there has a meaning to me. We're close to Seattle. Represent Boise, Idaho. But Seattle's very close, Washington, so had to represent the Pacific Northwest. Side patch is the 2001 All-Star Game. Flat Barrowman. The splendid
This was a
curve.
gem too, though. Yeah.
These are all gems.
Yeah.
I like calling my hats gems.
Oh, I mean,
So, love this one, as always.
here you go.
Kobe, I'll let you talk about that.
All right. Well,
This is the one I got from Hatclub as a promotional gift. Appreciate you, Hatclub. Check it out.
Yes, sir. Always appreciate Hat Club. This one is the boom Chicago Cubs. Boom. There you go. 1999 All-Star Game side patch.
1999.
Oh, 1990. My bad.
This
My
guy.
mistake. But clean all around. This one's just that logo. It's insane.
Yep.
One of the best logos out there.
I'm not sure if this is a spring training logo, but overall, it's like one of my favorite
Overall.
Cubby logos. You know.
Yeah,
So-
definitely one of the best Cubby logos in my opinion too.
And that side patch is top 3 of all time. Like, the Cub hats. You know, this logo really put them on. This logo right here, this side patch, put them on. This is a deadly combo right there. Can't go wrong with this one. This is probably the one that was sought after, that everyone wanted. I am grateful Hackle gave me the chance to just pick this one up without going through all that stress. So
I know. You're
Boom.
lucky. You're one of the lucky ones.
nice. All right, moving on to the next
Oh,
color.
yeah, and before we go, this dropped at like 6 a.m. around that time frame, which is crazy.
Yeah, so they did something crazy where it's like, since it's a DayBreakers collection,
Right.
they wanted to drop it at a daybreak time, which
Right.
is
Exactly. Yeah.
and they went off LA time, so it was like
6 o'clock our time.
5:50ish.
Yeah.
Yeah, crazy.
And it sold out so fast. So.
Well, this
It's
is a great
Hatclub,
collection.
so
and
yeah,
you got
what
great
can you do?
hats, they're gonna sell out.
Exactly. But what's the next color, bro?
Moving on next, purple.
Ooh.
This purple colorway is crazy as well.
Rockies.
I love these colors all the colors. I switch every day between like which one I love the most. Right now, I love the blue one, like I told you guys. But
Let's check it
you
out.
got the mountain logos, baseball in that nice little.
Gotta have
pink.
Rockies too in your collection. Gotta have
Yeah,
pretty
you
much
get
all teams.
this hot pink and purple and soft pink. Nice color. The pin. I haven't showed you guys the pin yet. Boom.
With a clean pin.
Clean pin.
Clean.
25th anniversary side patch. I mean, it's a normal combo to have the mountains with the mountains, you know. So, Flat Batterman. This one's a silver trim with the, I think that's it, infrared or hot pink with the yellow.
Ooh.
And that UV right there. You didn't pick any of these up, right?
I only, like I said, I only picked up that New York Yankees one, but this one's definitely nice.
Yeah. I mean, if you were to pick up a purple, would it be this one?
I don't recall the purple.
There's a Seattle Mariners one with the circular logo. I don't know what it's called, but
Oh, that one was
That
clean.
one's
I
pretty
think I
nice.
would prefer that one over this one, in my opinion.
Okay.
But this one's still. But let's check out the new other colors. The last color.
I'm gonna let you do this next one.
All right, boom. Orange.
Orange. That's definitely orange, bro. That's a bright orange color.
It's orange.
It's not bright, but it's like
Yeah,
it's a good
it's,
orange. It's definitely a summer orange.
It's
Count how many
a
times I say
variant
orange.
variant of orange. But we got that little Toronto Blue Jays.
Toronto. This guy.
Yeah, Toronto Blue Jays right here.
So I think you're too close to the camera. Bro. Yeah, give him some time
Alright,
to
let you guys see there.
focus.
The 10th anniversary side patch. I like the side patch honestly. It's definitely one of the cleaner ones out of the from the Blue Jays. And then the UV is, what color is that?
This is like a burgundy UV.
Burgundy?
Yeah.
Alright, but yeah.
Hold this special hat in mind for me. Boom, like Kobe said, you got the Toronto Blue Jays logo. And you got the burgundy, yellow, white in there. You got the Blue Jay going Super Saiyan.
Oh.
So that's why I had to pick this one up.
Super Saiyan.
This logo I do not have in my collection,
yeah,
so
it's clean.
glad I have it now. Double birdie. Double birdie. This is the 10th anniversary side patch from 1986. Flat Barrowman. Yeah, I do like this burgundy UV. It's like a brick red actually. So,
yeah.
man. Sheesh. And then you can go ahead and show them that one real quick, and I'll talk about it. So show them the front.
Bam.
Boom. So you got the Atlanta Braves with the Tomahawk A logo.
Classic.
Side patch is the 2021 All-Star Game side patch. The All-Star Game that never happened. Wow.
Wow.
Love that one. They haven't really released the side patch version of any Atlanta Braves hats online. It was some of them were just in store, bro. So this was the only one that they dropped online.
Oh, I did not know
now.
that. I did not know that.
So this one is raised back.
Yeah, that's all I was interested. I was looking at the other hats, and that's the only one that I've seen that's raised.
Yeah. So
that's crazy.
it's nice. I mean, I don't mind. Some people do if it's either raised or flat.
Yeah, it is what it is.
Yeah. Boom. But anyways, you know how we have a lot of hats here?
Yeah.
It would be a lot of hats to rate, so let's rate them by the colors. How about we do that? Let's do that.
You take over. I'll give you my rating. I'll see how you gonna rate it, and I'll bounce off you.
All right, so here we go. We got the blue, right?
Yeah,
I think
all the blue hats.
Yeah, let's bring out all the blue hats. Boom. So the blue collection, I think when you put the yellow on top of the blue, it gives it a nice pop.
Yep.
This colorway, like I said, is my favorite.
My personal favorite too.
Nice.
Yeah.
And I think it's just so good looking. Like it looks, when you look at it, it's not an ugly hat here. So overall, I'm giving this colorway, the blue collection, 9 out of 10.
Ooh.
Great coloring on the side patches on most of the blues. Well done, Hat Club. 9 out of 10 for me.
For me, 9 out of 10 as well. Like you said, the execution of the colorways, side patches, logos, all of it, just done to near perfection. So yeah, props to Hat Club. They did it again. But let's go with this purple.
Purple? Thank you, bro. So the purple one, I will say this: it's a lot better in hand than in pictures.
Right.
The purple one,
that's for sure.
When I first saw the collection, it was my least favorite out of the group. But it's
growing on you.
It's growing on me.
Yeah.
It's growing on me. This one, not the biggest fan of the hot pink, but I do like the purple crown, the purple base. I'll give it 7 out of 10 on this one. Ooh. For me, I don't see myself wearing the purple colorway too much.
I'm with you again. Yeah, we're just clicking today.
Clicking.
7 out of 10 as well. Like you said, I don't see myself wearing the purple as much. Still a clean hat, but just the colorways for me, it's a pass.
Oh, dude, get your own rating, bro. How about this? You rate that now, and
okay, this one, orange. I do like better. Just like you said, the burgundy UV or the brick red UV. It's interesting. It's a unique vibe. Never seen it like it.
Unique vibe.
And then
whatever that is.
Just like the colorways on this one, it goes well with each other, complements well with each other. Yellow, that red, and that orange. So this one, I give it an 8 out of 10.
Boom. Good rating, bro. I like this colorway a lot. This is also, I'm gonna tell you, 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Reason being is, like, I usually wear black or white t-shirts. And let me show you something.
Oh, it's loud.
Boom. You got orange on there? Boom.
Should I just pop it on right now? Huh?
Go for it, bro. This one. No.
Check it out.
See?
What y'all think?
I like this colorway. It's probably the most unique orange hat I have in my collection. I also have a frozen tangerine from Hatclub as well, which is a blue icy orange crown. But these ones are just a lot better in my opinion.
Would you say it's similar to like a campfire vibe that they dropped recently, or way back?
Not really. Campfire, I mean, is, I don't know how to describe that color. It's more like that tannish color, like a s'mores vibe.
Yeah, I got you.
But this is more like a, I don't know,
Like a summer heat, summer sun.
It's a fire. Not campfire, it's fire.
It's a fire emoji.
9 out of 10 for me.
Okay, that's respect.
I rock
respect
it.
it.
I rock it. It's not my favorite color out of the collection.
That's
the blue one.
The blue one's like 9.1 then.
Yeah, we'll go with that. Switch it. So let's do this. Blue, 9.1 out of 10. Orange, 9 out of 10. Purple.
Oh, where's the purple? I shot. This ain't the right hat.
Let's do it like this. Boom. Kobe, throw it up. Edit that, bro.
Yes, sir. Once again, 9.1 out of 10 for the blue, 9 out of 10 for the orange, and 7 out of 10.
Yes, sir. Anyways, thank you guys again for watching the video. Thank you guys for subscribing. Check us out. We're gonna do more videos. But appreciate it again, guys.
Yeah.
Kobe.
Without further ado, this has been Ronnie Fitted. Hey, Kobayashi. Have a great rest of your day.
Peace.